Well, big breaking news coming in this afternoon. CBSE board exam for Standard 12 stands postponed while the exams for class 10th stands cancelled. There have been increasing calls, remember, to postpone or cancel these exams as a rising number of cases of COVID are reported from across the country. Earlier today, the Prime Minister did have a meeting regarding this, and post that meeting, it has now been announced that the CBSE board exam for class 12 is postponed, while class 10 now stands cancelled. Meenakshi joins us for more on this. Meenakshi, there was an increasing clamour for this demand, and even the Prime Minister held a meeting in this regard.
A lot of political hullabaloo also surrounding this issue. Just a little bit earlier in the day, we saw Chief Minister of Punjab and also Priyanka Gandhi Vadra write to the Union Education Minister with regards to this. And like you actually mentioned, the Prime Minister also conducting a meeting, and a decision has been arrived at. We are in possession of the official text via which this cancellation and postponement has been announced just moments back. I'm going to refer to that, and I go on to quote: the board exam for class 12 postponed, and the situation will be reviewed on 1st June 2021, and a notice of at least 15 days will be given before the start of the examination. The board exams for class 10 to be held from 4th May to June 14, 2021 are hereby cancelled, unquote. So this is the verbatim reproduction for the official text via which this announcement has been made just moments back. Clearly, this meeting with the Prime Minister has yielded this outcome. The situation on ground very, very grim, and in that backdrop, this decision has been arrived at.
Well, I'm sure this comes as some sort of relief to lakhs and lakhs of students who've been waiting in uncertainty. But Meenakshi, this also comes at a time, though, when a number of state boards are still undecided or have said that they're going to go ahead with offline exams.
Well, we will just have to keep an eye out and see how that pans out. But one thing is certain: when the Central Board of Examinations, which is the CBI nodal body, the Education Ministry, when they are on board and they have taken this step to postpone and defer these exams, that will really weigh heavily in the minds of how it plays out at the state or provincial level as well. Because remember, what we had seen earlier, some months back in the Supreme Court, when this matter was argued, was the CBSE, the nodal body's point of view really assumed a lot of import. That time, obviously, the situation was different. It is different currently, and it is an ongoing situation. It is something which is continues to be in a state of flux. And obviously, the high-powered meeting which the Prime Minister today reviewed has contributed to this outcome and decision. And this decision will have an impact going forward at what all the other bodies intend to do at the state or provincial level. But one thing is certain: the CBSE's decision, Aarti, will weigh heavily, or will go on to impact heavily how the other boards now, view the roadmap ahead for themselves.
Well, Meenakshi, thanks so much for that. This at least some sort of relief for students, because there's been a lack of clarity on this matter. But of course, also questions are going to be raised on a future which looks very bleak, so to speak, because their exams have been postponed, especially those of the class 12th, and we've seen a huge new surge hit India. All the states are reporting a huge spike in the number of cases, throwing the academic calendar out of gear once again. Remember, this was something that had happened last year as well, where the academic calendar was extremely affected. A number of state boards all the state board exams, in fact, were postponed. A number of students were promoted without examination. But this will set at least some clarity and hopefully a template for other states to follow as well. For all the viewers who are just joining us, CBSE board exam for Standard 10 stands cancelled, while that for class 12 is postponed.